In this training, I'll walk you through the changes to labor entry in the Planon mobile app. Training slides covering these steps are also linked in the video description. So what's changing? Currently, Planon uses the wrench in and wrench out time for labor entries. So for example, I started at 8 a.m. and finished at 9 a.m. Going forward, labor will be recorded by the amount of time spent, similar to how it was entered in Famous. So instead, you'll report, I worked for 1 hour. The goal of this change is to make labor reporting easier and more reliable for everyone. Let's walk through the process now. As usual, open the app and navigate to your Orders tab. Here I'm going to scroll down and pick a new order that's just been assigned to me. I can view the details of the work order on this page. I'm still going to accept the order since I'm ready to work on it. The work order has been accepted. Now we see our first change. Because there is no wrench in, wrench out anymore, the Start button has been removed. Instead, you'll see the Edit option. Edit will allow you to make changes like entering labor hours and ordering materials. Tap Edit. Now I can scroll down to the bottom of the order until I reach the labor section. Tap Labor Hours. This is the labor hours detail page. We don't see anything because there's no labor logged on this order yet. To add a labor entry, tap the plus button on the top right. On this Add Labor Hour page, I want to add 2 hours of regular work time. I tap the Number of Hours field and can change the number with the plus and minus buttons or by editing the number with the phone's keyboard. Click the check mark to close the keyboard. Our time type this time is regular because it is not overtime, so we don't need to change that. Hour type will always be work. Once all fields are filled out, I'll click Submit. Back on our labor summary page, we can see our new labor entry has been submitted. As long as the phone is properly syncing, this labor entry will appear in the back office for your supervisors immediately. Let's add an overtime entry. I'll add 1 hour. And this time, I'll click Time Type and change it from regular time to overtime time and a half. Once again, hour type is work. And click Submit. And I can see on the summary page both of my labor entries, with the 1 hour entry labeled as overtime. Back out of this page to the main screen. Now, because there is no start or stop time, you do not need to pause work. You can leave the work order open like this until you're ready to close it. The only time you need to click Wait is if you need to report that you're waiting on parts. If you need to report that you're waiting on parts, click Wait. Choose the waiting on parts reason and click Submit. You will notice the work order becomes labeled as waiting once you've done this. Later on, when we're ready to close the order, we can click Edit again and either make changes or go straight to closing the order. To close the order, click Save and Close. This is the same screen that you're used to when closing out orders. We will say yes, all work is completed, and provide closing notes. You will see the summary screen before completely submitting. You should see your labor entries here. If you didn't enter any labor, click the Previous button to back out to the order and enter your labor before closing. This looks good to me, so I'll click Submit. The work order has been marked complete and has now been removed from the phone. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to the Planon team at fm-planon@brown.edu. Thank you.